Hello there. Hold on. Minion right here. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record on a Galaxy S2 Tab Samsung. First, what you're going to want to do is go to Play Store.
But maybe not as much as you though. Yeah.
You're going to want to type in Mobizon.
I just love how much joy.
Mobizon.
So happy.
ON. And then what you're going to want to do, download it. And then you're just going to want to open this. These are the videos that I've made. Just skip around. And then this little icon here is going to show up when you've like done all the stuff. And when you've done that, you're done. Just like what I'm doing now, I'm screen recording. You can go on any game. For example, right now I'm going on a game. I'm playing Skate Space. My credit goes to the YouTuber Red Monkey. Goodbye, see you in the next video.